I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to fix Android Auto Rotate not working. Step 1. Swipe down from the top of your screen to open the Quick Settings panel. Step 2. Look for the Auto Rotate icon. If it says Portrait or is grayed out, tap it to turn Auto Rotate back on. Step 3. If Auto Rotate is already enabled, tap the icon to turn it off, wait a few seconds, and then tap it again to turn it back on to refresh the feature. Step 4. Open the Settings app on your Android device, scroll down, and tap Display and Touch. Step 5. Look for the Auto Rotate screen option and make sure the switch next to it is toggled on. On some devices, you may also see an option for rotation on the home screen or lock screen, which you can enable if needed. Step 6. Restart your Android device. A simple reboot can clear out background system bugs affecting your device sensors. If Auto Rotate is still failing, your device sensors might be temporarily miscalibrated. You can try physically rotating your phone in a figure 8 motion to help recalibrate the internal gyroscope and accelerometer. Additionally, check if a specific app is causing the problem, as some video players or launcher apps have built-in orientation overrides that force portrait or landscape mode regardless of system settings. Finally, make sure TalkBack or touch accessibility features are not interfering with screen orientation, as certain accessibility services can lock your display in place. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.